Prep Homestead.
Today is Wednesday, October 30th, 2024.
I'm Marco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hello, Pythons. Welcome back to Python TV.
Guys, today's the haunted house, and if you see Mrs. Menace in the hallways, or if you're in her class, make sure to give her a happy birthday!
Now here are your daily announcements.
Pythons, tomorrow, it's the big day, Halloween!
Whoa, Rocco, you can't wake me up like that.
But tomorrow's Halloween!
Okay, I get it. That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make the school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow with more news and updates. Have a great day. Go Pythons!